Here we've got a Honda Accord with lots of play in the wheel bearing. Extremely noisy. So we're going to go ahead and replace that. Start by removing the wheel with a 19mm socket. Now remove these two screws with an impact driver. As we will need to take the brake radiator off. Once you get the wheel off, I'm going to go ahead and undo the caliper. So you need a 12mm spanner for this nut and a 17mm spanner to lock it. Bottom one, top one. Caliper out of the way. Now with a 17mm socket and ratchet, we can undo the top and bottom bolts of the caliper cradle. There's the caliper cradle off. Now we come around and take the disc rotor off. Just wiggle that straight off. And if you come back around the back, there's 4 17mm bolts located in the back of the hub, which mount the hub. So I'm going to go ahead and undo these 4 17mm bolts here, and then the hub will slide straight out. That one's loose. and just grab hold of it from the front, give it a wiggle, and off it comes. That wheel bearing's a whole complete unit, so we'll go ahead and replace that now. Go ahead and fit the new wheel bearing, the same as the old one came out. Just wiggle it in. And then from the back, go ahead and screw those 4 bolts in. Then we can go ahead and refit the brake rotor and refit the grub screws. It's all tightened up. Refit the caliper cradle. And just push the pads all the way in so that the caliper will mount on. Now to slide the caliper back over the pads. About 2 12mm bolts. Tighten them up. There we go. Much better.